Hey, what's up, AMC stock holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the AMC stock. So, what's going on in this time in the AMC stock, my friends? What's the current price of AMC? What's the price change in the AMC in this video? I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the AMC stock, you can see here that the current price of the AMC stock is going positive, my friends. This time the price of AMC stock is, I really appreciate AMC stock for investment at this time. From the yesterday, the price of AMC stock is going upward, my friends. You can see here, if you look the price changes of the AMC stock, so the price change is also positive 8.20% positive change in the AMC stock. So if this kind of positive change continue in the AMC stock, so hope AMC stock will make you millionaire, my friends. And you can see here, there's the live update you're watching now. The price is gradually start moving upward. Gradually, my friends, slowly. I hope, you know what, my friends, my prediction is 100% positive at CMC stock. They go straight, my friends. They go straight. That is my prediction about at AMC stock, my friends. My friends, you know what? Today the public opinion is going bullish. That will take a huge pump. People understand, my friends. People know the future of AMC stock. Everyone can understand the future of AMC stock. That is clear for everyone that they will take a pump, my friends. What do you think? What is your prediction about AMC stock? Please tell me in the comment box. And you know what, my friends? The important thing, please subscribe my channel, please. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about AMC stock, every updates you found on my channel, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.